We are trying to find the percent change, the greatest percent change in magnitude of number of computers from day to day. So the way you find percent change, it's always where you find the difference between the two, the difference, and then divide by the first number or the original number, however you want to think about it. So I've already done the majority of the work here. Look from day 1 to day 2. So you were at 20 computers here, and here the next day you're at 12. So find the difference, 20 minus 12 divided by 20, because that was the original number, and that ends up giving you 0.4. And then do the same thing for the next day, between day 2 and day 3. So where is that? That's this piece here. So that you went from 12 to 18, so find that difference, that's here, divided by the original. In day 3, day 4, so that's this piece here. So that's 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10 divided by 18. That's the first number. And I'll just guess this. 4/9. That's approximately about 40%. A little more than 40%. I didn't do the actual. And then day 4 to day 5. Where is that? That's this piece here. And that went from 10 computers to 16. So that's why I've got 10 minus 16 divided by 10. And that was about 60% negative, but whatever. And then day 5 to day 6, we're here at 16, and here we're at 8. We found that difference and divided by the original. Now the problem said magnitude. So magnitude, you always take the absolute value of all these. So which one is going to have the greatest? It's going to be between day 4 and day 5 at 60%.